guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a beauty hacks video where I share with you 10 beauty hacks that I've learned over the years for your beauty routine. So if you want to know what those are, then please keep on watching. But before I get on with the video, don't forget to subscribe and push your bell notifications to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to follow me on any other social medias, I'll have that floating somewhere on the screen as well as linked down below in the description box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So for the first beauty hack, you're going to use edge control instead of eyebrow gel because they're essentially the same thing. Edge control is used for your baby hairs that is on your forehead, and your eyebrows are basically hairs that are on your forehead, so you know you won't be breaking out from them, and it definitely helps with holding them in place. For the second beauty hack, it's also for your eyebrows. So after you gelled them down, instead of filling them in first, I would suggest concealing and shaping out your eyebrows first. And the reason why I say that is because when you fill in your eyebrows first, you tend to either A, overfill, or use too much product of the eyebrow pomade or eyebrow pencil. Now if you shape out your eyebrows with your concealer first, you can see the outline of the eyebrow shape that you're going for. And when you do that, you can kind of see where you actually need to fill. So there's no such thing as overfilling because you can see what the finished product you're going for. And this way you can save more product, save more money, and you also save on time because you are essentially just filling out what you need as opposed to overfilling. The third beauty hack is if you're in a rush, I would suggest doing your face makeup first before your eyeshadow. And the reason why I say that is because people tend to take a lot longer doing their eyeshadow, trying to pick out what palette and what colors to use and where to put them, as opposed to when you're doing your face makeup, you basically go through the same routine whenever you do your makeup. So it's like a test. Try to do the easiest part first to get it out of the way before the hardest. And I would assume that that would be the same case for makeup if you're in a time crunch, just to do your face makeup first and then your eyeshadow. The fourth beauty hack is the placement of your concealer. So I know that normally people would put concealer in an upside down triangle underneath their eyes, and that's fine, but if you're going for more of a Gigi Hadid facelift type of look, then I would suggest putting your concealer in this way, where you put some in the inner corner of your eyes as well as the outside of your eyes. And the reason why you would want to do that is because when you put your concealer in these spots, it uplifts that part of your face from the center of your face. It looks like you're pulling it towards your temples, which gives you that facelift look, as opposed to when you do the upside down triangle, you're kind of just bringing down those features from the center of your face downwards. And like I said, if you're just concealing just to conceal your under eye bags or something like that, then you can go ahead and do your upside down triangle. But if you want the more Gigi Hadid look like this, then I would suggest putting the concealer in these places. So the fifth beauty hack is on how to make your eyes look bigger. I do have a separate YouTube video on this that goes more into depth, so if you would like to check that out, that link will be down below in the description box. But essentially you're taking a grayish brown eyeshadow color and putting it right in the crease of your under eye bag. Yes, you are accentuating your under eye bag to make it look like your eye is taking up a lot more space on your face. And then you're going to be taking whatever eyeshadow color you used on your crease and bringing it down towards that bottom of your under eye bag to again make it look like it is taking up a lot more space on your face. Then to open up your eye, you're going to be taking any white shimmery shade and putting it right where your under eye bag is, and also take a white jumbo eye pencil from NYX and putting it in your waterline to make it look like your eyes are a lot more open. And another thing that'll help to make your eyes look bigger is eyeliner. So instead of just taking your eyeliner from where your actual eye starts, start your eyeliner a little bit lower or a little bit away from the actual part of your eye. That way it makes your eye look like it is starting from a lot further away from where it actually is, making it look like it's taking a lot more space on your face and making it look a lot bigger. The sixth beauty hack is on how to make your lashes look longer. So first you're going to take a lash curler and you're going to be curling your lashes in sections. Basically you're starting it from the roots and then curling it again in the middle and then curling again when it gets to the tips of your lashes. That way it'll be fully curled and it'll help with making your lashes longer. And essentially you're going to be doing the same things with mascara. First you're going to be applying the mascara just on your roots, and you can do several coats of this, but just apply on your roots without pulling the mascara wand all the way to the tips of your lashes. Just stick with the roots first, and then once you're finished with coating your roots, then you can start coating from the middle of your lash all the way to the tip, and just do that and give that a couple coats. And as you can see, that one eye is a lot longer than the other after doing that couple coats from the middle to the tip, because I don't know why, it just helps with elongating the lashes even more than just doing it in a normal coat. The seventh beauty hack is on how to apply false lashes. Now I would suggest putting lash glue on your lashes like normal, but then I would also apply the lash glue on your eyes. So I would put it right where your lash line is, and it will help with keeping your lashes on all day. It gives that extra hold and extra grip on your lash line with the lash band, and it works out tremendously. So I would highly recommend this hack. For the eighth beauty hack, instead of buying those $30 lashes from Sephora, I would suggest buying lashes like these off of AliExpress and Amazon. This pack of lashes comes with 8, and I paid $3 for it. $3. Don't buy the $30 ones. Just go on AliExpress and Amazon. And the ninth beauty hack is on how to make your lipsticks matte. Now, if you have a lipstick bullet that basically says that it's matte, but it kind of has a sheen to it, then this is a hack for you. Basically, take any translucent powder that you have and dab it onto your lips after you've applied your lipstick. And as you can see, where I applied the translucent powder, it looks a whole lot more matte than the top lip. And I promise you, you won't even feel the translucent powder because it's such a light powder on your lips. It just makes the lipstick a little bit more matte. And the 10th and final beauty hack is on how to apply press-on nails. If you were like me and you always had a problem with press-on nails popping off within a day, then I would suggest this hack. I would take a nail file and file down the surfaces of your nails until they're rigid, and then applying your nail glue, and then applying your press-on nails. And the reason why you want to do that is because you want the nail glue to have something to grip and hold on to, which is why you want to file your nails down. It's in the similar concept as when you're painting something. When you're painting something, you would need to sand it down and then prime it and then paint it. And the reason why you would do that is so the paint has something to grip onto instead of just slipping and sliding off of the object that you were trying to paint. And it's essentially the same concept for press-on nails. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below if you knew any of these hacks, and if you didn't, are you going to be incorporating any of them in your beauty routine? Let me know down below, and I would love to see them. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time. Bye!